Alright, so this is Acer Predator Helios 16, and the GPU fan somehow makes a lot of noise. So we found the fan is completely gone, so we're going to replace it. By the way, there are a lot of generations of the GPU fan. You must need to double check the model number, which is printed back of the actual replacement fan, as you can see here. So first things that we're going to do, we're going to take out all the screws from the back cover. There are two types of screws. One of them is Phillips, another one Torx. Okay, and I'm going to keep organize those screws, and then we're going to disconnect the battery. That would be the first thing. Then we need to identify. For this model, Helios 16, the GPU fan always on the left hand side when you flip the laptop, and on the right hand side is going to be the CPU, which is fine. Surprisingly, for any sort of flagship laptop, GPU fan goes quicker than CPU fan. Means GPU fan always breaks down. So you're going to replace in this video, and if you do have any question, make sure you leave it end of this video in the comment section. Thank you. Alright, so this time when you put the back cover on, we need to put first the front bit and the back bit. And when you open it, we need to lift the back bit first and then the front bit. This is how we need to do. And if you press it, it's going to make click noise. Make sure the alignment is correct and put back all the screws and give it a try. Everything should be fine. Yep. Yep. So all seems fine. I just use a kind of soft plastic card to see if the fan spins. But also you can check without putting back the cover so you can see it spinning. Okay. Now there is no more bad noise or anything. Everything looks fine. Okay, but if you just want to clean it, it's pretty simple. Let me show you how to do that. First, you need to take out those 4 screws. Once you've taken out 4 screws, then you can lift off this bracket and then you can give it a clean. I do prefer to use any sort of vacuum cleaner like Hoover and stuff like that, or you might can use compressed here. So thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.